Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Millie and today I'm going to demonstrate how to knit the braided cable, and I am knitting my braided cable over 9 stitches. So we are going to need a cable needle to do that. So let's get started. So I'm going to knit until I get to the beginning of the cable, and I'm going to slip the first 3 stitches on the needle onto my cable needle. And then I'm going to bring them to the front of my work, and then I'm going to knit the next 3 stitches. And then I'm going to return these stitches on my cable onto my knitting needle. So I'll slip them to the end of my cable needle, and then I'll put them back on my knitting needle, and then I'm going to knit them. Okay, and then I'm going to knit the next 3 stitches and then work the rest of my stitches to finish this side of the swatch. Okay, and so that's the first braid, and then I'm going to work on the wrong side so that I can show you how to do the second part of the cable. Okay, so we are back to the cable again, and so we are going to knit the first 3 stitches. So, and then we are going to slip the next 3 stitches onto our cable needle, and then we are going to leave them at the back of our work, and we are going to knit the next 3 stitches. And then we are going to return these 3 stitches that are on our cable onto our knitting needle. Okay, and then we are going to knit them. And then we are going to work the rest of the piece. And we are all done. And you have your braided cable, but you will need to knit a few rows, and your pattern will let you know how many stitches you need to knit in order for your cable to show nicely. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy knitting!